Hello guys, this is Ruta FX. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed yet. In this video, I'm going to teach you into details how to use the trend line and then how to use the market structure to enter the market. So every successful trader out there or every experienced forex trader knows how to use a market structure to look for an entry point. And so this video is a full course on how to use the market structure, being an uptrend or a downtrend or a ranging market, to look for an entry and then exit point on the market. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this video from the beginning to an end. Let's dive into it. So when you open your charts, this is the trading view. So when you open your chart, first of all, zoom in your chart like that. Zoom in the chart like this. So zoom in. The reason for zooming in your chart is that you are able to, it helps you to be able to identify your levels well, so that you join your levels together, so, or you determine your actual trend of the market. So after zooming in the market like this, you join 2 points of the market together. So if you open the chart and the chart looks an uptrend, okay, so if it's an uptrend, it's obvious, you see or you realize that the market is making a higher high formation. So after zooming in, it's helped you to be able to identify your lower or identify your levels. Then you join the 2 points together. So here, this is 1 point, this is another point, this is another point, this is another point, this is another point. So just use your trend line to join 2 points together. Then after that, you can now zoom your chart. So this is your chart now. So anytime the market retraces and then reaches the trend line, you'll be looking out for a buy entry. So you all know that we trade with a trend, and so you've been able to identify the trend of the market using the trend line. So your job as a trader is to wait patiently until the market retraces and retests the trend line level. So when the market retests the trend line level and you see a bullish signal, then you buy the market. So for example, over here, when the market retraces from here all the way to the trend line level, we saw a bullish harami pattern formed, and immediately the market started buying. And so once there is a signal for a bullish side or for a buying side, immediately you buy the market. And when you buy the market, your target should be the recent resistance area, that is here. So you place your take profit there. Then your stop loss should just be placed below the recent candlesticks. Now after that, the market retraces again and then respected the trend line area. So over here we can see clearly that when the market retraces to the trend line area, we saw a bullish engulfing candle form. We also saw a rejected candle, what is a pin bar, which is a confirmation that the market will buy from there. Over here we saw the same thing, bullish engulfing candlestick formed, which is also indication that the market will buy. Then we have another here as well. When the market retraces and then retested the trend line area, we saw a bullish engulfing candle, and then after that the market started pushing to the upside. So when you draw your trend line very well, all you have to do is to wait patiently until the market retests the trend line area. If it retested the trend line area and then you see a signal for a bullish buy, then immediately you buy the market. Now if the market is going to change character, or it's going to change the direction, or if the market is no more going to be bullish, then you will be expecting something like this. The market, you should break and close the trend line close below the trend line, retest the trend line. If the market fails to push to the upside, then and you see a rejection like this, then this is an indication that the market have changed direction from an uptrend to now a downtrend, and so you'll be looking out for a sell signal. But once the market is respecting the trend line area, you always have to look for a buy entry. The next one is how to trade a downtrending market. So this is an example. I have demarcated the levels and then I've drawn my trend line over there. So you realize that anytime the market retraces and then tested the trend line area, the market is being sold. Retrace again, retested the trend line area, then you see a bearish signal, you sell the market. Retrace again, the market is being rejected over here, you can see a pin bar candle, and then immediately you sell the market. Your target should be the recent low of the market. Then after that, the market retraces again, retested the trend line area and started selling. So up here we can see a bearish harami pattern formed just at the trend line area. That is an indication that the market is going to sell. Then immediately you sell the market. Your target should be the recent support area on the market. Then you wait again after taking your profit. You wait again for the market to retest and test the trend line. If the market is rejected at the trend line, then you look for a sell entry again. So guys, this is how we use the trend line to trade a trending market. Now we have another type of market structure you need to know is the ranging market, and this is an example of a ranging market. A ranging market is when the market is moving between a well-defined resistance and then a support area. So like here, then the market retraces, retest it, then retrace again, push to the downside, then you see a buying signal, you buy, then your target should be the next resistance area. So actually in a ranging market is one of the easiest markets you can ever trade as a trader. And so your ability to determine the market structure is very important. So over here, when the market buy from here, push all the way to retest this area of the resistance. After that, the market started selling. Then it came all the way to retest this lower or this support area again. Then after that, we saw a bullish harami. Then the market started buying. Then the market was bought strongly until the market retested the resistance area again. Then we saw a bearish harami pattern again, and the market was sold. Then buy again, respected the same area, and then was bought again. So guys, this is how we trade with the market structure. So you should be able to identify the structure of the market, draw your key level, then you wait for the market to retest those levels. After the market is rejected and you see a signal for either a buying signal in an uptrend market, then you buy. Or if it's in a downtrending market, when you see a selling signal, then you sell the market. If it's in a ranging market, you wait for the market to retest either the upper zone or the upper the resistance area, and when you see a signal for sell, then you sell. Then your target should be the support area. Then when the market hits the support area again and you see a signal for a buy, you buy again and you target the next support area again. So that is how we trade with the market structure. So guys, make sure you master this, watch this full video, and you understand how to trade with the trend by using the trend line. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed yet, and also if you are interested in joining my trading community, check on my description and you will see my WhatsApp number over there. Send me a WhatsApp message and I'll add you to my trading community. I'll also teach you and mentor you to know whatever you need to know. I teach for free. I don't take anything, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I post, you will be notified. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.